Samsung just quietly slapped Apple so hard that people are already selling their iPhones before the iPhone 17 even launches. This is not clickbait. Stay till the end and I'll prove it. If you skip this video right now, you'll miss the 3 insane things Samsung put in the S26 Ultra that Apple will literally never be able to copy. The third one will blow your mind, so don't you dare leave. First bombshell, the entire Galaxy S26 lineup, including the Ultra with its built-in S Pen, is now officially thinner and lighter than the upcoming iPhone 17 series. Yes, even the Ultra just dropped almost 17 grams. How did Samsung pull this off? Keep watching. Second twist nobody saw coming. Samsung didn't just make it thinner. They actually increased the S26 Ultra battery to around 5,200 mAh. That's a 4% jump in a body that's physically smaller. This is engineering witchcraft. But it gets crazier. Here's the third thing that will make you drop your phone right now. Samsung is putting a 200 megapixel sensor with an f/1.4 aperture on the S26 Ultra, the widest aperture ever on any flagship phone in history. Bigger aperture equals night photos that destroy iPhone, creamy bokeh that looks fake it's so good, and details so sharp you'll zoom in and still see individual hairs. And because Samsung has been perfecting this exact 200 MP sensor for years, this upgrade is going to be the single biggest camera leap in smartphone history. Still think iPhone has the best camera? Wait 2 more minutes. Samsung is finally switching every photo to 24 MP by default, exactly like iPhone, but with way more detail. Plus, new Pro codec equals you can now shoot uncompressed cinematic video that Hollywood colorists can grade without losing quality. iPhone can't do that yet. Every S26 model, not just Ultra, is now full titanium. Apple still uses cheap, scratch magnet aluminum on the regular iPhone 17. Samsung just made the entire lineup feel twice as premium and way more durable. Now the part that's breaking the internet. Despite all this insanity, the base Galaxy S26 still starts at $799. Samsung is straight up copying Apple's aggressive pricing on the base model, because they know that's where the war is won. More flagship features for the same money. Game over. By the way, the rumored S26 Edge? Cancelled. Instead, the exact same 200 MP f/1.4 monster camera is coming to the Galaxy Z Fold 8. Foldable fans who've been begging for real flagship cameras for years? Samsung just answered your prayers. So let me ask you right now, reply in the comments. After everything you just heard, are you team S26 Ultra or still riding with iPhone? Be honest. Mass production started days ago. February 2026 is going to be a bloodbath. And I'll be first in line to test that f/1.4 camera in real life. If you want to see the first real-world photos and videos from the S26 Ultra the second they leak, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications right now. Because I'm dropping exclusive leaks every week until launch, and the next one is coming in 48 hours. You do not want to miss it. See you there.